Today we are making 3 super simple desserts that have less than 5 ingredients each. They are all so delicious and really easy to put together. These pumpkin cupcakes use only 3 ingredients and are so easy to make. Into a bowl, add 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix in 1 can of pumpkin puree and stir together until it is smooth. I have seen people make this with spice cake, which that sounds really good too. They do the spice cake, but they leave out the seasoning, so that is definitely an option if you don't want to invest in the pumpkin pie spice, because it's one thing that you don't use too often. But this makes enough for 12 cupcakes. You can leave them plain, but I wanted to add some chocolate chips to a couple of them. Bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Sprinkle on some brown sugar, which, as you can see, worked out perfectly. Never did I think I could make a dessert with Hawaiian rolls, but these apple Danish sliders surprised me. Measure out 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Pour this over 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. To this, add 1 egg yolk and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. I just squeezed half of a lemon. Mix this together. Now, my mom wanted me to mention that this mixer is 37 years old and it still works better than any of these fancy mixers today. If y'all have an appliance this old, please let me know in the comments down below what it is. But to our Hawaiian rolls, we are just going to cut out a little square. The original recipe, I think she used a different type of roll and it was a little bit thicker, so it had a little bit more room in it, but these worked out perfectly fine. I'm using the rest of my egg that I had earlier, added a little bit of water for an egg wash. I brushed that onto our Hawaiian rolls and then sprinkled with some powdered sugar. Now for this, you could definitely use a piping bag or like a gallon Ziploc, but I just went in with 2 spoons and I'm just pushing down our cream cheese mixture, making sure that each one has the same amount or attempting to at least. Once you are done with this, we are going to add in our apple pie filling. Now, the original recipe did use cherry pie filling, and I definitely want to make that again with a cherry pie because the apple is good. It tastes really good, but it does not have enough time to really cook because we are only going to cook this for 15 minutes. So it did come out a bit crunchy, but it was still really good. It had that flavor. So if you try these, try it with the cherry pie filling first. Or possibly you could actually cook the apples first and then top it onto your Hawaiian rolls. I'm not 100% sure. I have not tried out that way yet. But we are just going to place this in the oven at 400 and, like I said, cook for 15 minutes. While this is cooking, I just mixed together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of milk. Just smooth this out. And we are just going to drizzle it over our Danishes. Look how good these look. They did not last a single night in my house. For this banana split pie, we are going to start with 2 cups of powdered sugar, pour over 8 ounces of cream cheese, and just whisk this together until smooth. We're going to add this into a graham cracker crust. Now, I just went the store route, but you could definitely make your own crust if you would want to. Make this as smooth as you can because we are going to be layering on 4 bananas. At this point, if you wanted to add in some crushed pineapple, you totally can, but I'm not a pineapple fan, so I went ahead and left mine out. On top of our bananas, we are adding 1 tub of 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then we are just going to smooth this out. And then for our layer of cherries, I just went in with as much as I wanted to, and I let everybody add in their own chocolate sauce. And if you need some more recipe ideas, check out this video here, and I will catch you guys later.